Are you still struggling to track sales properly? Let me show you how to record sales quickly and accurately using the HelferAI Inventory app. First, log into the app, click on the menu icon on the left-hand side, then scroll down and select Sales. Here you will see options to import data from your device, scan items, or manually input data. In this video, we will be using the manual method. Click on Add New Sales Record. Now fill in the details step by step. Enter the customer name, generate the sales reference number, and input the receipt date and expected delivery date. Next, add the product name and quantity. The SKU and price will automatically update once the product details are entered. If there is any tax or discount, please be sure to include it. Then input the POS, shipping method, delivery fee, and salesperson. If there is any outstanding balance, enter that as well. Proceed to select the payment method and fill in the delivery details of the buyer. Confirm the payment status, then click Save Changes. This will automatically store all your inputs. To view your current and previous sales records, go back to the home page, scroll to the bottom, and click on Sales. There you will find all your saved records, and you can also export your data to your device. And that's it. Pretty simple. Here is the exciting part. As a business owner, you get a 1-month free trial. You've seen it, now experience it free for 30 days. Thank you.